Well, hello everyone again. Here we go with another video. Nice video, awesome catches, but I wish I was a little bit, more careful, because I couldn't easily catch like 7 to 8 snook, which I landed one and I got two come off the hook, and then I hook like another 3 or 4, which I don't know what was wrong with me. Either I was going too fast or I wasn't paying attention much. So but sometime it's happened. Still was really fun under the docks, light, and so then after I went to the flat for trout. Oh man, what a day, killer day. I got my tree keeper, and I don't know, I probably catch like 40 or 50 of them, but at least half of them were over 15 keeper. But I only kept, me, I don't like 15, even 16. I'm just like this. After 17 and up, I'm good to keep them. So let's go watch the video. Thanks again for all your support. Wish you all wonderful evening, and see you next time. Good morning everyone. Here we go. Another day in paradise. It's about 4:30 in the morning. It's a little chilly this morning, but still good to be out here, guys. Well, wish you a wonderful weekend, and look like it's a pretty low tide right now. I'll see you guys when I catch some fish. Decks. I see some fish here too, but unfortunately they're not really biting. It's about 58 degrees this morning, which is pretty cold. Not cold, but fresh for Florida. I'm gonna try with the colorful voodoo again too, because I got a 2 bite out of them, and so far this one, nothing. So let's try the colorful voodoo. See, there it is. Wow. Oh, nice snook. I know it. It's funny how you can just keep changing nice snook. Nice snook. All you gotta do is change the color, and boom. All right, buddy. Nice snook to begin with. Wow, jump right in. All right, good morning to you. All right, guys. So, hey, buddy. There we are. Look at this. Just changed it. I switch it again, and boom. And we have a nice. Let's see. 21 inch snook. Thanks for coming, buddy. See you. Go, guys. There you are. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. We're in a different spot. I got a bite. I just got a bite, guys. There he is, guys. Another one. Oh, he just comes off. Alright. Alright. But we got another one. There he is. Oh, it comes off too. Wow, second time. So, second time. Alright, they're biting. There you are. Really, man? Really? Guys, that was a nice bite again. Alright, guys, I'm keep missing lots of snook this morning. I don't know what's wrong with me, guys. There it is. Oh, damn. Oh, why? Pretty sharp. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I keep missing. Our first trout, guys. Looks like a keeper too. Alright. It is 15, but it's small for me. See you. Alright, guys. We got our first trout. Unfortunately, I missed lots of snook this morning under the docks, but nothing I can do about it. Let's see how we're gonna do in the flat. Let's see, and here we are, another one. Oh, nice one too. This might be a keeper too. I'm looking for 17 and up, guys. Alright, let's see. 14. There he is. Nice. They're all nice, guys. Wow. They're all nice. Alright. 15 and a half. Another keeper. See ya. There he is. Nice. Nice. Hey, buddy. Beautiful. See ya. There he is. Nice. Oh, nice one. Nice one. They're all beautiful, guys. Look at those trouts. Beautiful. See ya. Sorry, buddy. There he is. Another one. Oh, nice. They're all beautiful trouts, guys. Look at that one too. Look at those guys. Ha. Definitely a keeper. 16. See ya. I want bigger. Like 17. It's pretty windy out here, guys. Really windy. Really choppy, and there he is. Oh, I saw him coming. They taste better in winter time than summertime, those trouts, definitely. Look at those guys, man. There we go. See ya. There he is. Right here. See ya. You see, guys, I was catching them again about 2 o'clock, and then I changed to the 12, and boom. Oh, this is a nice one. Yeah, this is the keeper. I don't know, he was was pretty heavy. Oh yeah. What am I talking about? That old keeper. Look at that trout. Hee. Look at this, guys. $16. See ya. Oh yeah. Crazy today. There he is. No, oh, he let go. Wasn't. Oh, he come back. Different one. That was nice. Nice. Beautiful. 17. I'll take this one. That's what I want. 17, 18. Sorry, buddy. Just let him bleed there. Yeah, right here, guys. Well, the wind broke down. Trout slowed down first, but now it starts again. There it is. Oh, here we go, another one. Nice one. That's another keeper, guys. We got another nice one here, guys. Take a look. Those trouts, man. 16 and a half. See you. Let's put this in the cooler. He will eat already. There it is. I knew it because you can tell when they're around. Nice fish. See you. Yes, sir. Oh, what is this? This is not a trout. This is not a trout. I think this is a Spanish mackerel. If it is, I will love that. Yeah, it feels like Spanish the way he's running. And oh no, ladyfish. Why are you not jumping? She wasn't jumping. That's why I think that was a Spanish mackerel, which I would like to have one. All right. It's a big one too. Oh, all right. Easy release. Goodbye. I hate those fish. They're so. Okay, like you see now, trout stop and ladyfish and lizard fish moved in. Alright guys, we have another trout here. I'm trolling. There we go. See you. Another one, nice one. You know, this morning was pretty cold and windy, and now it's like a beautiful out here in Sarasota Bay, guys. Gorgeous. See you, buddy. All right, let's go. 4 o'clock. Oh yeah. You see, guys, all I did is cast it different direction and boom. Let's double them up. There it is. Oh, nice. Nice. We double up with the keeper, maybe. Maybe. Nope. Not a keeper. And the birds are here. Get away from me. Here, guys. One and two. Here we go, guys. I think that's my third keeper there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's it. That's it, guys. There you go. That's my third keeper. Ready to go home. $17. That's it. I got what I need. Sorry, buddy. All right, guys. That's it for today. I did very well again. A lot of fish out here, guys. But it's almost 12 o'clock and gotta go home, get ready for tonight. We're having a little mini golf tournament at a new place in Benderson Park, which I think I'm gonna bring my GoPro to show people who move to Sarasota and they don't know the place. It is fantastic place to hang out with your kids and parents. You'll see it. I'm gonna videotape it for you and post it. See you next time and wish you a wonderful weekend, Tideline, and hope everyone doing well. Blessings from paradise. Bye bye. So I have my 3 keeper limit trout. So see you.